Good evening. So last night we're going to be continuing from what we learned last night. Last night you learned the numbers from 0 to 10. Today you're going to learn the numbers from 11 through 20. Let's start it. So for 11, or starting with 11, it's ts'áadah, Naaki ts'áadah, 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 Ashdla, Hastá, Tsosts'id, Tseebíí, Náhást'éí, Naadiin. Nana again. ts'áadah, Naaki ts'áadah, 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 Ashdla, Hastá, Tsosts'id, Tseebíí, Náhást'éí, Naadiin. One last time. ts'áadah, Naaki ts'áadah, 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 Ashdla, Hastá, Tsosts'id, Tseebíí, Náhást'éí, Naadiin. Now you probably noticed that it's just a slight variation from the numbers 1 through 10, except you add ts'áadah. And if you note that after, for particular 15 and 16, you don't say ts'áadah, but you say ada. I'm not sure where the meaning behind that comes from, but that's always just how it's been. So instead of saying Ashdla ts'áadah, you say Ashdla for 15. And for 16, you don't say Hastá ts'áadah, you say Hastá. And also when you learn your numbers or when you learn your money, you'll also learn that 15 is also Gíinsi, like the Spanish number, Gíinsi. That's how you'd say it. Those are your numbers from 11 through 20, and I hope you learned something from that. Next, we will learn the numbers for 30 and 20, 21, and beyond. Have a good evening.